Hey, singing my song. All right, let's get the hair out the way with the hair clips. Let's get into it. We're gonna start off with this fleeking brush by Fleek Masters, sponsored to you by Fleek. All right, after you do that, you spread them out, brush them out really nice, you know, very well done. And then you're gonna grab this pen marker. Once you grab the pen marker, just use it, color in, shade in, shape in those natural eyebrows. Okay, like, inner thoughts, whoever knew that trying to be pretty would take this long. Let me just look at it. I'm nowhere near being finished. The video has just begun. We gotta keep going. Where's the time speed up thingy on here? Gosh, what the hell is that in my eye? Oh, excuse my language, guys. Let's keep going back to it. All right, so you wanna bring that arch all the way down. Wipe it, wipe those corners, because you don't want it all over the place. You don't want a messy look. Let's look at it. I'm okay with it. Not bad at all. Let's get into this left side. Oh, I'm singing this song again. Don't even know what I was singing, but it doesn't even matter.
My breath right quick. He ain't never seen it in a dress like this. He ain't never even been impressed like this. Probably why I got him wired on the set like zip. Like it, love it, need it, bad. Take it, own it, steal it, fast. The boy stop playing, grab my...
Look closely. I am actually talking to myself. Guys, please have a friend at all times. Talking to yourself is not the way to communicate or have any type of conversation. Don't do it. It makes you look crazy. Next that we're putting on our face is the one and only pimple remover ointment. Okay, you just want to smear it all over your face. Like, it just doesn't even matter, except on the eyebrows, definitely on the forehead, bridge of the nose. Get it all over. Make sure you get it, rub it in, because that's the best thing to do. Yeah, we're gonna keep on going. Sorry, my allergies are acting up. We have our brush. We're just gonna oh shit, oh goodness, we're just gonna put this dusty stuff all over our face. Okay, just sprinkle ash and powder everywhere. All right, and we're gonna tap the forehead, and we're gonna look at ourselves and look at us. Oh my gosh, we just look so dead right now. We look like we belong in a casket. Look closely. It looks like my allergies are about to kill me. I'm about to sneeze all over the place. That Carlton is not unusual. Okay, next you're gonna grab what's called the flat brush. I had to make a phone call to figure out what this brush was called because it really reminds me of an iPhone charger. Please be careful or it will break. I really never thought that editing a YouTube video would really take this long. Sorry about that. I have the attention span of a squirrel. Yet I am a guy, so you have to understand. I really just got so lost. My attention span drifted me elsewhere. But anywho, we're gonna grab this color, okay? It's really golden, like piss, I guess you could say, because that was the first thing that came to my mind. All right, we're gonna grab the sponge brush and we're gonna dab, 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 dab. Definitely in the corners. Look at me. Oh yes, your girl got it.
I bet you hadn't known it. Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice. No punches got to roll it. You got to keep it focused. You only say so.
After you're done sponging your eyes, we're gonna grab this stuff that I had to go get from the Motherlands myself, and we're gonna choose the third to last color at the top, and we're just gonna color over the hard work that we just did. It took no time at all. Oh, also while you do that, you're gonna grab another color and we're gonna go over top of that work. So now we're just wasting time at this point, but just watch. I promise you I will not steer you wrong. As you go over the eyelids, please Chinese eyes them, make them chinky so that you do not get the ashiness in your eyes. Okay, don't forget to clean your brushes like this.
You might committed. Really to anybody you had them pretty. All of the body I did ass and titties. Like a moment, keeping me in the moment. I bet you hadn't known it. Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice. No punches got to roll it. You got to keep it focused. You only say so.
grab that warm paint. You're gonna dab here, 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 here. Rub it in like that. Look at me. And you're just gonna rub it in all over your face like a little kid would do with some mustard. All right, because that's exactly what this look like. We look like we belong on a hot dog now. Damn it, I forgot the ketchup. Next step could be really tricky, so you have to really hold on to those lace fronts if you're wearing one. Okay, really? Does it really look like I have one? No, this is all natural, okay? Okay, now if you look at the bottom of the screen, I'm going to type this message. It doesn't even matter what I say. Just bear with me. I look like a human emoji right now. Like I was bought to you by Apple or even licked by the sun. I'm just that yellow. Like, don't even worry about how yellow we really look, all right? Just know we will not get arrested for this. We are not impersonating The Simpsons or anyone on The Simpsons. After you're done adding the first layer of yellow, we're gonna add another layer of yellow, all right? But this isn't just yellow, this is dandelion. Dab very carefully by the bridge of the nose and under the eyes. You will give yourself the greatest mind you will ever have. You are your own special effects makeup artist right now. All right, now it's time for us to stop being so yellow. But guess what? Psych, I lied. You do the eyes, then we're gonna go down the bridge of the nose. But that's not all. Pull back those baby hairs, dab off the forehead, and guess what? X marks the spot there and there. Treasure has been found. Now, we're just gonna use those designs that I just placed on my yellow mustardy face. And we're just gonna use those as guidelines, all right? We're gonna use those as guidelines to smear more mustard on our face. And it may look a little dull right now, okay? Your face may get a little stuck. This is what they call contour. I think I got this right. Fellas, please take notes. See that? Thumbs up. Girls will love you if you buy them this stuff. It only costs expensive $99, but don't worry about it. Our money is not our money, no way. It's their money as well. So whatever we have, they have. But whatever they have, we don't have. You feel me? So we're never going to win. But do this and your girl will love you forever. Do this and see if you approve. I'm for it. Now that we're finally done with the yellow, we can move on to our orange polka dotted marker.
Keeping me in the moment. I that you had known it. Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice. No punches that to roll with. You got to keep it focused. You wanna say so? It's been a long time since you fell in love. You ain't coming out yourself. You ain't really think yourself. Tell me what must I do? Tell my love. Cause luckily I'm quick at breathing. I wouldn't fuck him but he won't stop cheesing. And we can't dance all day around it. If you front it, I'll be bouncing. If you want it, scream it, shout it, babe. Before I leave you dry, didn't like the moment, keeping me in the moment.
Okay, now you're gonna grab that eyeliner. It is Maybelline.
Just got to roll it, you got to keep it focused. You wanna say so?
Now, for the next part, you want to be extremely careful, all right? I done already poked myself in the eye like 4 times, but that's in the blooper section of the video, which will not be included because it hurt like hell. To me, it felt like I was crying everywhere. It felt like I was in SpongeBob movie when Patrick and SpongeBob were crying into each other's mouth. Just, no one's crying into my mouth. That's disgusting. COVID, ill, gross.
Grab my ass, acting like you shy. Shut it, save it, keep it pushing while you beating around the bush and knowing you want all this woman. I get till you dry. All of them bitches hating, I have you with me. All of my niggas saying you mad committed. Really to anybody, you had them pretty. All of the body, I did ass and
Okay, now shake those bottles up real good. You want that glisten as if you were in that dream where you were just free falling to your death because you don't even know what's at the bottom and you wake up in a puddle of sweat. Okay, now that you're done brushing, go ahead and grab that fan. And there, we are all done. Go ahead and grab that brush back and continue on your sandy face. Okay, for a second there, I really thought she was fanning with a piece of bread. It didn't even look like an envelope. I guess the messed up part about talking trash about other people is that karma will come your way. I literally almost passed out just from trying to make that fanning noise. Notice how she uses the natural pop of her eyelashes with maybe it's Maybelline mascara, alright? Now, you want to just lightly brush. Don't scrape. You scrape, your eyelash hair will fall off and you will need to microblade or micro shade. Just when I thought I was telling the truth, I lied. Fellas, run away. Avoid all females that have these because they will leave them at your house and they will scare the absolute shit out of you. Alrighty, so I thought we were going to stay natural, but someone has a bug fetish here. Now that I remember, it is fall, so we have to be in season, and being in season means that what holiday is coming up? You got it, Halloween. So all of you ladies that like to wear those tarantulas on your face, the nasty black caterpillars, and those bat wings to help you fly away, now's your time to shine. Protect yourself and others from COVID, cough in your arm, like this. See? No spread. Now, this is a very important step. Most of you girls, you do forget to make up that under chin and that neck area. Don't even know what it's called. I think it's called the throttle. But you forget this every time. But remember to patty cake that powder dust ashiness onto your neck as well. Alright guys, that is it for me on this video. Please remember to like, comment, share with your friends, and subscribe. My name is Rel. Follow me on Instagram at @SoRelBeats_ if you need any type of beats for production of whatever it is that you're doing. Intros, I got you. Voiceovers, clearly, you know I do that. Hit me up. Signing off.